Kaf, Ha, Ya Ain, Ain, Sad. These are the letters of Allah. Only He knows. What's the weight? Yeah. One name, one young woman, one entire surah named after her.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. We completed part 1 where we opened Surah Maryam and met Zakaria, the old prophet crying to his Lord in secret.
Zakaria, a prophet, would visit her and find provisions.
Oh, Maryam, where does this come from?
It is from Allah. Zakaria, a miracle of hope. Yahya, wisdom as a child. Isa spoke from the cradle. Ibrahim, rejected by his own father. Musa, chosen directly by Allah. Ismail.
6 prophets in one surah, each one hewn alone at their hardest moment.
Now look at the pattern Allah is showing us. Zakaria called to Allah when no one was listening. Maryam worshipped Allah when no one was watching. Same lesson end. Devotion in private is what matters. Ibrahim was rejected by his father at his own blood for standing with truth.
Musa was alone on the mountain when Allah spoke to him. Maryam was alone under a palm tree when Allah provided for her. Every prophet in Surah Maryam faced one thing, a moment where they had nothing except Allah, and that was always enough.
Surah Maryam is not ancient history. It is tonight's reminder, the answer to the dua you made last week.
Allah placed Maryam among Zakaria, Yahya, Isa, Ibrahim, Musa, Ismail to tell you something. Your struggle is not separate from the prophet's struggles. It is cut from the same cloth.
And she still trusted Allah completely. So can you.